Hello everyone! In today's video, I will guide you on how to create custom fields for any post type using CubeWP. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the sidebar, navigate to CubeWP, go to Custom Fields, and click on Post Type. Then, click the Add New button. This will open a new window with several options, such as group name, group order, and description. Here you can enter a group name to define the name of your custom field group. Specify the group order to manage its menu position, and provide a brief description to explain the purpose of the group. Next, click on the Add New Field button, which will expand the screen to reveal various customizable options. You can fill in these fields to match your specific requirements. For instance, under Field Label, specify a name or label for your custom field. For example, author name. The field name is automatically generated for internal use, while the field type lets you choose the type of field, for example, text input drop-down, that best suits your data. Additionally, you can add a description for further clarification. Once you have created your custom fields, assign them to a post type by selecting the desired post type from the right-hand sidebar. After assigning the fields, don't forget to save the group. And that's it. You've successfully created and assigned custom fields to your post type, making your post more dynamic and tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.